Hey everyone, welcome back to another interesting video. In this video, we are going to solve a very interesting aptitude problem, which is a 4 meter by 4 meter floor needs to be covered by tiles of size 2 meter by 1 meter, two diagonally opposite corners, that means this corner and this corner, of size 1 meter by 1 meter should be left uncovered. How many tiles are required to complete the job विदाउट ब्रेकिंग द टाइल्स और ओवरलैपिंग देम? दैट मीन्स हमें यहाँ पे 4 मीटर बाय 4 मीटर का ये फ्लोर दिया है और द साइज ऑफ टाइल्स आर जस्ट 2 मीटर बाय 1 मीटर. दैट मीन्स इट इज़ लाइक दिस. सो it is 2 by 1 meter. Now if we try to cover this floor, so let me just take this floor. So here we have to ignore this corner and this corner because we have to leave this corner uncovered, right? So it is like this. Now let us fill this 4 by 4 floor with 2 by 1 tiles. So let us start. Now 2 by 1 means here we can take a 2 by 1 tile like this, right, or like this. So I am starting from the left side. So we have these two choices, right? Or we can take this 2 by 1 tile like this, right? Or it is vertical, right? So these are the choices, right? So this is uncovered block and we are just making these choices 1, then 2, then 3 and then 4, right? Now we have this uncovered block, right, of size 1 by 1. So we have to put this 2 by 1 tile vertical, right? Now the next thing is here we have this 1 by 1 block, we have to cover this. So put this tile vertical, and because 2 by 1 tile is like this, right, it is like this. So if we put it vertical, then it will be like this, right? So we can put this tile vertical also. So this is done. Now here we have this 1 by 1 block, we have to cover this. So put this tile horizontal. Now again we have this 1 by 1 block here, so put it horizontal. Now let us fill the remaining blocks. So here we have this 1 by 1 block, so put this tile horizontal. Now again here we have 1 by 1 block, so we have to put the tile horizontal because we want to cover all these blocks, right? So we have to go 1 by 1. Now here we have 1 by 1 block, right? So we have to fill this first, so put this tile vertical. Now again we have this 1 by 1 block, so in order to cover this we have to put the tile vertical, right? Now this is done. Now the next is here we have this 1 by 1 block, right? So we have to put this tile horizontal. So this is done. Now again here we have this 1 by 1 block, right, or this 1 by 1 block. So if we put this tile vertical for this block, so if you put it like this, then this block will be uncovered, right? If we put this block like this, then this block will be uncovered, right? So in this case we cannot fulfill these conditions, right? So we have to discard this, right? Now the next case is here we have 1 by 1 block, so put the tile vertical. Now here we have 1 by 1 block, so put the tile vertical, right? Now again we have 1 by 1 block here, so put it vertical. Here we have this 1 by 1 block, so we have to fill this, so put this tile vertical. Now here this block and this block is uncovered, right? So discard this. Now in the previous cases here we have this 1 by 1 uncovered block, so put this tile vertical. This is done. Again here we have the same case, right? This is uncovered, so put it vertical. But now here these two blocks are uncovered, right? So discard this. In this case, here we have this 1 by 1 block, right, and we cannot fill this, right, so discard this option also. So in every case we are getting 1 block or 2 blocks uncovered, right, that means we cannot do this job, and therefore this is impossible. So this is the answer, we cannot do this job. Here is an important note, because we cannot break these tiles or overlap these tiles, therefore we cannot do this, because if we break these tiles like this 1 by 1, so suppose we have this 2 by 1 tile and we can break this like 1 by 1 and 1 by 1, then we can fill these places, right. So this is important, that in the question we have given that we cannot break or overlap these tiles, right. So just remember this. Thank you for watching this video.